If your seal is getting sticky, crusty, or coated in residue, here's your fix. This is the F seal, a singular mechanical seal with a water cascade, a simple type of flush seal. The F seal constantly rinses the seal's face with a steady flow of water. It's perfect for products that can crystallize, coagulate, or just make a sticky mess, like high sugar syrup or thick viscous liquids. The result? A cleaner, cooler, lubricated seal that lasts longer. Find the flush port on the pump seal housing. This is typically a threaded port designed for a stainless steel tube or fitting to direct water flow towards the seal. Thread the compression fitting into the flush port. Then insert the tubing. Adjust the position so that the end tube is aimed directly at the top of the seal face. It's important to note that the ferrule is tapered. Make sure you install it with its tapered end facing the fitting. Finally, thread the nut onto the compression fitting to secure the connection. For a simple and cost-effective setup, use a water connection kit from your local hardware store. Slide the compression nut onto the PEX tubing with its tapered end facing the valve. Push the tubing fully into the fitting and tighten the nut. On the other end of the tubing, we have a push-in fitting installed. Take that fitting and push it into the tubing for a secure connection. Use the valve to control the water flow. You don't need high pressure, just a gentle, steady stream. The goal is to keep the seal face rinsed without flooding the area. We hope you learned something during this video. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-668-2268 or at sales@cpsystems.com. Thanks.